I will be eating all the pizza. By the time you arrive, I will be eating the last slice of pizza. She will be talking nonstop. During the entire road trip, she will be talking about everything and nothing at the same time. They will be sleeping until noon. While we work hard, they will be sleeping like babies until noon. He will be watching cat videos. Instead of working, he will be watching cat videos for hours. You will be waiting forever. If you expect me to finish on time, you will be waiting forever. We will be laughing too hard. At the party, we will be laughing so much that our stomachs will hurt. She will be shopping all day. While you're at home relaxing, she will be shopping until her bank account cries. He will be snoring like a bear. By midnight, he will be snoring so loudly that the neighbors might complain. I will be dancing terribly. At the wedding, I will be dancing like a giraffe on roller skates. They will be complaining about the heat. No matter where we go, they will be complaining about how hot it is. You will be losing your socks again. Every morning, you will be losing at least one sock, as always. He will be eating all the snacks. During the movie, he will be eating all the popcorn before the trailers even finish. We will be pretending to listen. At the meeting, we will be pretending to listen while actually thinking about lunch. She will be singing off-key. At karaoke night, she will be singing with full confidence, but totally off-key. I will be running late. No matter how early I wake up, I will be running late as usual. They will be fighting over the remote. By evening, they will be fighting over the TV remote like it's a championship match. He will be staring at his phone. Even during dinner, he will be staring at his phone like it's his best friend. You will be regretting that decision. After eating 5 spicy tacos, you will be regretting your life choices. I will be napping right here. While you run errands, I will be napping on this comfy couch. She will be trying to parallel park. For the next 10 minutes, she will be trying to park in a single spot. We will be taking too many selfies. At the beach, we will be taking selfies for hours before actually enjoying the water. They will be avoiding exercise. While others run, they will be avoiding the gym like it's a haunted house. He will be blaming the Wi-Fi. Even when he plays badly, he will be blaming the Wi-Fi for losing the game. You will be waiting for me forever. If you think I'll be ready in 5 minutes, you will be waiting forever. I will be forgetting my password. By the time I need to log in, I will be forgetting my password again. She will be overthinking everything. Instead of sleeping, she will be overthinking every conversation from the past 5 years. We will be running out of gas. Instead of filling the tank, we will be running out of gas in the middle of nowhere. They will be eating our fries. Even though they said they weren't hungry, they will be eating all our fries. He will be texting instead of working. At the office, he will be texting instead of actually getting things done. I will be binge-watching shows all weekend. While everyone is outside, I will be binge watching an entire season of my favorite show. He will be making terrible jokes. No matter the situation, he will be making the worst dad jokes ever. They will be burning the toast again. At breakfast, they will be burning the toast like they always do. She will be stealing my hoodie. Even in summer, she will be stealing my hoodie and calling it hers. We will be taking way too long to get ready. No matter how early we start, we will be taking forever to leave the house. You will be staring at the fridge with no idea what to eat. At midnight, you will be staring into the fridge like it has all the answers to life. He will be talking to his dog like it's a person. Every evening, he will be talking to his dog about his day. She will be arguing with the GPS. Even though she has no sense of direction, she will be arguing with the GPS like it's wrong. They will be leaving a mess everywhere. No matter how much we clean, they will be leaving socks all over the place. I will be Googling everything instead of learning it. During the test, I will be wishing I had Google instead of studying. We will be singing badly in the car. On our road trip, we will be singing off-key and annoying everyone around us. You will be running away from responsibilities. Instead of finishing your work, you will be running away from all responsibilities. He will be checking his phone every 5 seconds. During dinner, he will be checking his phone instead of talking. She will be taking 500 selfies before picking one. On vacation, she will be taking so many selfies that her phone storage will be full. They will be asking dumb questions. In class, they will be asking if fish can drown. I will be making bad life choices. At 2 a.m., I will be making terrible life choices involving food. You will be pretending to be busy. At work, you will be pretending to be busy while scrolling your phone. He will be looking for his glasses while wearing them. As usual, he will be looking for his glasses while they're on his head. We will be getting lost, even with GPS. No matter what, we will be getting lost because we never follow directions. She will be trying to diet while eating cake. Every Monday, she will be trying to start a diet while eating dessert. They will be sending memes instead of working. In the office, they will be sending memes instead of replying to emails. I will be avoiding exercise at all costs. While others go to the gym, I will be avoiding exercise like it's the plague. You will be wondering why you agreed to go out. The second you step outside, you will be wondering why you left your house. He will be falling asleep in the middle of the movie. No matter how exciting it is, he will be falling asleep before the climax. She will be forgetting her coffee in the microwave. Every morning, she will be forgetting her coffee and reheating it 5 times. We will be eating each other's fries. Even if we order our own, we will be eating each other's fries anyway. They will be getting stuck into traffic again. No matter how early they leave, they will be getting stuck in traffic. I will be texting you on my way while still in bed. When I say I'm coming, I will be texting that while still in pajamas. You will be laughing at your own jokes. Even when no one else does, you will be laughing at your own jokes. He will be using too many emojis in texts. Instead of words, he will be using 50 emojis in every text. She will be saying, "Just 5 more minutes," 20 times. When it's time to leave, she will be saying that until we are late. We will be blaming the Wi-Fi for losing the game. Even if we play badly, we will be blaming the Wi-Fi instead. They will be sneaking snacks into the movie theater. Instead of buying overpriced popcorn, they will be sneaking in candy. I will be making terrible life choices at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m., I will be making decisions I will regret in the morning. You will be struggling to wake up early. No matter how many alarms you set, you will be struggling to get up. He will be standing in front of the AC all summer. While others go outside, he will be standing in front of the air conditioner. She will be eating dessert before dinner. While everyone waits, she will be eating cake first. We will be blaming autocorrect for our mistakes. No matter what, we will be blaming autocorrect for our typos. They will be running late as usual. Even with an hour's notice, they will be running late. I will be searching for my phone while holding it. At least twice a day, I will be searching for my phone while it's in my hand. You will be convincing yourself you need another coffee. Even after 3 cups, you will be convincing yourself you need more. He will be opening the fridge just to stare at it. Every hour, he will be opening the fridge without taking anything. She will be talking to plants like they understand her. Every morning, she will be talking to her plants like they can talk back. We will be laughing at old photos. Instead of cleaning, we will be laughing at our embarrassing childhood pictures. They will be pretending to diet. While eating fries, they will be pretending they are on a diet.